Shawarma cravings? Stick around until the end for the perfect fix. Let's get started. First up, we'll dice our tomato. I'm using a 65-gram tomato, and I'm chopping it into medium pieces. Next, I'll grab a 25-gram onion and chop that up nicely. Then we've got some carrots, 25 grams to be exact. I'm gonna grate those in. Now, for the mushrooms, we will need about 100 grams of sliced mushrooms. We'll be using cremini mushrooms. Don't forget the green onions. Let's finely chop 15 grams of those. And finally, we'll mince up a single clove of garlic. All right, let's get cooking. In a pan with some vegetable oil, I'll saute our 200 grams of chicken along with the chopped onions, carrots, and mushrooms. Season that up with a sprinkle of salt. Then I'll add 10 grams of butter, 0.5 teaspoons of curry seasoning, and 1 clove of minced garlic. I'll stir fry everything well. Attention everyone, I'm going to show you some important details very quickly. I'm adding the sauce, 45 grams of Philadelphia cheese, chopped green onions, and 1 tablespoon of canned corn. Next, I'm adding the meat and the fried mushrooms with vegetables. It's very important to salt the tomatoes so that they're not bland. We wrap everything up in a delicious, high-quality lavash or tortilla. It is very important that the lavash or tortilla is fresh. Watch the next delicious video and subscribe to find out about even more delicious shawarma. See you later.